With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's solve the question. In observing epithelial cells under a microscope, the cells are arranged in a single layer and look tall, narrow, and the nucleus is located close to the basal side of the cell. The specimen is what type of epithelial tissue? So the options given to us are columnar, squamous, stratified, or transitional. Alright, so they are telling us that when this epithelial tissue was observed under a microscope, they appear in a single layer, alright, and the cells appear like tall and narrow cells, alright, tall and narrow, okay, somewhat of this type, and their nucleus appear towards the basal line or the basal side of the cell. Okay, what is towards the basal side? Meaning that they are present towards the basement layer. This basement layer is the connective layer, alright, and the nucleus is towards the basal side. So basal side will be this side. Okay, so this type of epithelial tissue will be columnar epithelium. Okay, they appear like tall columns, okay, and they are single layered, so it is simple columnar epithelium. And this type of epithelium is usually seen in uterus, right, in fallopian tubes, in digestive tract, etc. Okay, so our correct answer here will be option 1, columnar. Squamous appears like flat layer, alright, so this will be incorrect. Then stratified would have been if the layer would be like this, alright, but here they have told us that it appears only like a single layer, so this is also incorrect, and transitional is also incorrect. The correct answer will be option 1, columnar. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.